If you think the view is beautiful that way, just turn around and check this out. Wow, it's like a fairy tale cave. Wow. Look at that, that's amazing, look at that. And there the castle is over there, and the town. Wow. Into the dark. I wonder where it goes. Oh wow. There's a big wooden gate blocking the way. Can't go that way. Can't go that way. There's a big wooden gate there. Yeah. No. Okay. So now what? Now what do we do? Yeah. There's a big gate. Okay, we can't go that way, so we're gonna have to go this way, up and over. Going that way, we were getting further away, so turn around and go the other way. Well, that was simple. Oh. Well, there you go.
Wow. Okay,
There it is. Boom, done, just like that.
Just like that.
That's the oldest geocache in Czech Republic, Czechia. Well, we hope you enjoyed that short little video, and if you like the places we go and the things that we do and the geocaches we find, we hope that you'll hit subscribe and hit that bell and come back and see us again and again and again.